Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a very healthy, you can say it's a soup made from coconut milk and kokum. It acts as an coolant and it helps you to digest your food. This drink or this soup is generally being consumed after a very spicy meal. Now, before I proceed to show you the ingredients and the method, I want you all to do one thing. If you all are new, still new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Share my video if you like with your friends. Click onto the bell icon and all to get the notification of all my new videos that I'll be putting in future. And please do write your comments into the comments box. Now let us proceed further to see soul curry. This soup is called soul curry. It is made up of coconut, fresh coconut, not the one that you drink water, not that. This coconut. This I have taken half katori coconut. Into this I'll be adding one green chili and one garlic pod. Now green chili, if you like more spicy, you can add still more. Then this is the pulp of kokum. What I have done, I have taken say about 20 to 25 pods of kokum and soaked it into the hot water for say 1 hour and then squeezed it. This is called agar. Into this I am also going to add the paste of green chili, one garlic and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera. Now for this I will first have to extract the milk from the coconut. For that I'll be adding this coconut into the mixer grinder and I'm going to add a lukewarm water. Why am I using lukewarm water? Because lukewarm water will extract more milk from the coconut. So I'm going to add say about, from this only I'm going to add 1 katori. That's all. See, this is how I have extracted the milk. Now I'm going to strain it because when you drink, the coconut might come into your mouth. So first I'm going to strain this like this. You have to do this process for 2-3 times to extract complete milk from the coconut. Now this has been done. Now this remains of the coconut, I will again put it into the mixer. And now this time I'm not going to add 1 complete katori. The content of water is going to be less. Okay, now into this I'm going to add little less water. That's all. And again I'll be grinding it. Again I will strain it, and again for the 3rd time I'm going to add very little water and strain it again. See, so much water I have extracted by doing this 2 times only. Now I'll keep this on one side. This is to be thrown. This is of no use because I have taken the complete juice from this coconut. Now into this I'm going to add this agar. Complete agar is to be added. Now this agar contains little salt. So when you are adding salt, see that you take care of that salt content. Now into this I am also going to add this coarse paste of green chili, garlic and cumin seeds. This tastes so good, I'm telling you. This is a very good coolant and it's very healthy. It has got many body benefits. This helps those who are on diet and those who wants to reduce the weight can also consume this. Now this has been done. Now I'll just simply mix it. And I will add very little salt because the salt is already there into the agar, that is the kokum pulp. Now into this I'll be adding very little, see, so much salt, that's all. And you have to refrigerate this before serving. It's very good coolant and is to be consumed after your meal, especially when you are having mutton, spiced mutton or chicken. And to finish it, before I finish it with a fresh coriander, I'll just like to taste this to check its salt level. That's all. Now into this I will finish it with fresh coriander. This needs to be refrigerated now. After tasting this, I found little less salt, so I added another 1 teaspoon of salt. Now this is completely ready. This is to be refrigerated before serving. But to show, just to show you all, this I'm going to pour it like this. So much is to be given. If you like my recipe, please share it with your friends. Click on to the like button and do share my video with your friends and click on to the subscribe channel if you are new to my channel, and please do write your comments into the comments box and try this recipe. This is very easy to make. I showed you the way we extract the coconut milk. This milk is called non-dairy milk, and this non-dairy milk is very healthy and it's good for your heart also, and for those on a diet control can consume this, and this acts as a coolant. So please try and make this, and please do write your comments about this dish into the comments box. Thank you.